The Targus USB 2.0 docking station is your easy expansion module. It quickly extends the connectivity of your notebook computer to include instant plug-and-play with multiple peripheral devices, all via a single USB 2.0 connection. This one-touch USB connection ensures fast access to the peripherals you use every day, such as your monitor, your network, plus audio and USB devices. It's just as quick to set up as it is to disconnect, making it highly convenient for desktop users. Because the USB connection is universal, it's immediately compatible with a variety of notebook brands. When you have a meeting, simply disconnect your notebook from the dock, and when you're back at your desk, plug back in and you're ready to work. No need to reboot. So it's also ideal for use in hot desking environments. The Targus USB 2.0 docking station uses a DVI video connection, which is always ready to provide a superior performance, supported by a high resolution of up to 2048 by 1152 dots per inch. 3 video modes are supported for added flexibility with your external monitor. Extend your view by using your notebook screen as the primary display and your monitor or LCD as a secondary screen. Mirror your notebook screen on your monitor or LCD, or use your external screen as your primary display. And keep your notebook closed, whether you want to work on 2 screens or playback video. A smooth operation is assured. Plus, all video modes are easily accessible via a simple desktop utility. The Targus USB 2.0 docking station with video. Affordable, versatile, one-touch connection to your peripherals.